Jerusalem is waking up to this constitutionally, legally significant day. I don't think this country has seen anything like it. The High Court today, 15 judges, all 15 judges of the High Court hearing this challenge to their own powers, this plan to curb their own powers, enacted only weeks ago by this government. And that is what they're hearing today. There've been lots of criticism, condemnation of this court by the government in the past week. The Speaker of the Parliament telling them that they won't agree to their laws being trampled. That's what the Speaker of the Parliament says. We've also heard other people saying that if the court does intervene, other ministers, then they are destroying Israel's democracy. So you can see how high the stakes are, because when ministers are asked, will you obey this ruling of the court if you don't agree with it, a handful say yes, and most won't give an answer, and some actually say no, we don't have to. So there are three parties to this issue today: the government, the court, and a third actually is the Attorney General. She's independent and she agrees with the challengers and says this court, this version of the law is too draconian and cannot stand, and that's why Israel's on the verge of a constitutional crisis. I guess the fourth party is the protesters who've kept this issue alive for the 9 months since it was first mooted by this government in its first week in office.